Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi students. Our topic today will be on antiviral drugs, part 1. So for this block, I will deliver to you 2 sessions of antiviral lectures, and it will cover anti-herpes agents, anti-influenza agents, and antiretroviral agents. And there will be another lecture topics that will cover other viruses, such as antihepatitis, and it will be covered in your year 2 later. So I hope all of you already read my lecture notes that have been posted in iTalim. So let us proceed with the learning objectives of this topic. So by the end of the lecture, all of you are expected to learn the general classes of antiviral drugs, learn about drugs against herpes simplex virus and influenza virus in terms of their mechanism of action, pharmacokinetics, clinical uses, and adverse reactions. These are the content of the lecture. We will recap on what is virus, how does virus affect host cell, classification of antiviral agents, anti-herpes agents, and anti-influenza agents. So first of all, what is virus? Virus is an acellular organism, meaning that they do not have structures like nucleus, cytoplasms, or other organelles. Generally, virus consists of their genetics material, is either RNA or DNA, and these genetic materials are encapsulated by a structure called capsid and surrounded with an envelope that is coated by virus-coated protein structures. So a complete viral particle is called virion. Virus is an obligatory intracellular organism, meaning that they need host to replicate. Why? Because they need to consume the host's genetic materials in order to form their new RNA or DNA. So how viral replication process occurs? So in order to enter the host cell, first the virus have to attach to the receptor on the host cell surface. Then it will enter the host cell through the cell membrane. Next, the uncoating of the viral nucleic acid will take place. After that, the early regulatory proteins such as nucleic acid polymerases will be synthesized. These nucleic acid polymerases will catalyze the formation of new RNA or DNA, and then the synthesis of late structural proteins will occur, followed by assembly of new viral particles. Now, the virus is ready to be released from the host cell. Why it is important to know the steps of viral replication just now? Because the antivirals that we will learn after this actually can target any of the above steps. So this diagram is just to summarize the steps of viral replication that we have discussed just now. Okay, that's all for now. See you again in my Antiviral 1 Part 2 video. Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye.